Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to boost the performance of your Tacoma, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an essential upgrade that every Tacoma enthusiast should consider: a cold air intake. Not only does it enhance your truck's power, but it also improves fuel efficiency and gives you that satisfying growl when you hit the gas. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best cold air intakes for Tacoma on the market. Whether you're off-roading or just cruising, these intakes will take your Tacoma to the next level. So, make sure you stick around and check the link in the description below. Number 1. Canon Cold Air Intake Kit is a game changer for your 2016 to 2019 Toyota Tacoma with a 3.5L V6 engine, making it a top choice for those seeking the best cold air intake for Tacoma. Designed with precision and performance in mind, this kit promises a significant boost in both horsepower and torque. Expect up to 17 additional horsepower and an impressive increase of up to 12.84 feet-pounds of torque, ensuring your Tacoma delivers exceptional acceleration and towing power. One of the standout features of this kit is the sound it unleashes. Your engine will roar with authority during acceleration, yet return to a serene quietness once you're cruising at speed. The kit is dyno-tested on wheel-based dynamometers, with each system including a report to verify the performance gains. When it comes to towing, the improved throttle response and enhanced power ensure smoother uphill climbs and better overall towing capabilities. The Canon Cold Air Intake Kit features Canon's signature reusable air filter, constructed with 4 layers of pleated cotton and infused with their proprietary red filter oil. This design ensures that dirt and dust are effectively trapped while clean, oxygen-rich air continues to flow into your engine. Remarkably, this filter only requires cleaning every 100,000 miles under normal highway conditions, offering both convenience and longevity. The kit also includes a durable, rotomolded intake tube made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, which significantly enhances airflow volume. Accompanied by a custom heat shield, this setup ensures that the intake air remains cool and unaffected by the high temperatures of the engine bay. Trust in the Canon name, known for premium engine protection, with the assurance that this kit will not void your vehicle's manufacturer warranty. Backed by a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty, and proudly made in the USA, this cold air intake kit is easy to install, typically requiring less than 60 minutes with basic tools. Number 2. Rough Country Cold Air Intake is designed specifically for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma, equipped with a 3.5L engine, delivering significant performance enhancements for Tacoma enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this cold air intake system is its ability to increase horsepower and throttle response, giving your Tacoma a noticeable boost in performance. By circulating cooler, denser air, it enhances the oxygen intake into the combustion chamber, resulting in more efficient combustion and, ultimately, greater power output. The premium, reusable air filter not only offers excellent filtration but also allows for long-term use, saving you money on replacements while ensuring optimal engine performance. Installation is a breeze with this kit, as it is designed for easy at-home installation. Rough Country provides comprehensive support to assist you throughout the process, ensuring you can achieve a professional-grade setup without the need for specialized tools or equipment. Plus, the product is backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, reflecting their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you're hitting the trails or navigating urban roads, the Rough Country Cold Air Intake is an excellent upgrade for your Tacoma, making it one of the best options available for those looking to enhance their vehicle's performance. Experience the thrill of improved acceleration and responsiveness with this reliable cold air intake, tailored for the needs of Tacoma drivers who demand both power and efficiency. With the Rough Country Cold Air Intake, you can transform your driving experience and make every journey behind the wheel an exhilarating one. Number 3. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit. Elevate your 2016 to 2019 Toyota Tacoma's performance with the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit, SPE 9060, designed specifically to increase horsepower and torque. This high-performance intake system has been dyno-tested to deliver up to 50% more airflow compared to the restrictive factory box air filter and intake tube, ensuring your engine breathes easier and performs better. If you're frequently towing, you'll appreciate the improved acceleration and uphill performance, which comes from enhanced throttle response. Beyond just performance, this kit also enhances your engine sound, allowing you to hear the power that's now unleashed under the hood. The Spectre Air Intake Kit offers world-class protection, safeguarding your engine from harmful contaminants and debris that can hinder performance and longevity. With a high-performance air filter featuring an advanced oiled synthetic design, you can trust that your engine is well protected against damaging particles. One of the standout features is its low maintenance. You won't need to clean the filter for up to 100,000 miles, making it a hassle-free upgrade for any Tacoma owner. Installation is a breeze with this kit. You can achieve bolt-on power in less than an hour using basic hand tools, making it one of the simplest modifications to increase horsepower. Additionally, the components included, such as the air filter, intake tube, heat shield, edge trim, couplers, filter adapter, MAF sleeve, literature packet, and parts kit, ensure you have everything you need for a smooth installation process. Importantly, this upgrade will not void your vehicle warranty, allowing you to enhance your Tacoma's performance with confidence. If you're looking for the best cold air intake for your Tacoma, the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit is an excellent choice. Number 4. AFA Power 51 to 76005 Momentum GT Air Intake System is a top-tier performance upgrade for Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts seeking enhanced engine efficiency and power. This advanced air intake system outflows the factory intake by up to 39%, significantly improving airflow and engine performance. It features a cutting-edge, 3-layer non-oiled, washable synthetic media filter that strikes the perfect balance between performance and protection, ensuring that your engine receives clean air without compromising power. The filter is also easy to clean and maintain, providing convenience for the user. Designed with precision, the AFA Momentum GT includes a high-quality one-piece sealed housing that incorporates an auxiliary air scoop, optimizing airflow directly into the engine compartment. This design not only enhances performance but also minimizes the intake of hot air, ensuring that your engine operates at its peak efficiency. The CAD-designed roto-molded intake tube further contributes to improved airflow dynamics, allowing for quicker throttle response and increased horsepower. It's important to note that this product is currently not CARB exempt, making it illegal for sale in California and for use on vehicles registered with the California Department of Motor Vehicles. However, for Tacoma owners outside of California, the AFA Power Momentum GT Air Intake System is a fantastic investment, ideal for those searching for the best cold air intake for their Tacoma. With its superior design, ease of maintenance, and significant performance gains, this air intake system is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's performance and driving experience. Number 5. Filltop Cold Air Intake Kit is a top-tier upgrade designed specifically for 2016 to 2020 Toyota Tacoma models, compatible with both manual and automatic transmissions. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, this intake kit features mandrel bent and powder-coated aluminum intake tubes that significantly enhance airflow to your engine. The custom heat shields included in the kit play a crucial role in maintaining optimal intake temperatures by protecting the air from the heat generated in the engine compartment. One of the standout features of the Filltop intake is its reusable filter design, which combines 2 layers of pleated, breathable cotton with filter oil to effectively trap dirt and dust particles. This high-performance filter allows for uninterrupted airflow and requires cleaning only once every 100,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions, making it a low-maintenance option for Tacoma owners. In terms of performance, the Filltop Cold Air Intake Kit is engineered to boost acceleration and enhance engine sound. By providing a less restrictive airflow path, this intake system increases the amount of cold, oxygen-rich air entering the engine, translating to an estimated increase of 14 horsepower and 13 foot-pounds of torque. You'll experience a thrilling engine growl during acceleration, which seamlessly quiets down once you reach highway speeds, ensuring a smooth ride. Installation is straightforward, with the entire process taking less than an hour using basic hand tools. This kit is among the easiest and most effective ways to enhance horsepower and torque, making it a highly recommended choice for those seeking the best cold air intake for their Tacoma. In conclusion, choosing the best cold air intake for your Tacoma can make a significant difference in your truck's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall driving experience. Whether you're looking for increased horsepower, improved throttle response, or simply a better sound, there's a cold air intake out there that fits your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And be sure to share this video to stay updated on the latest mods and upgrades for your Tacoma. See you in the next one.